Namaste students, I am JVN Dr. Aziz Mohammad Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic microorganism of extreme environment. The subject name is Fundamental of Microbiology and the discipline is Food and Biotechnology. So, extreme environment. What are the extreme environment? Extreme environment are the environment which are non-tolerable non-tolerable for living. Suppose that if there is a human who is in India and in India there is a temperature ranging from 30 to 40 degree. Okay, so he is habitual to meet moderate temperature, but when he goes to in Switzerland where the temperature is very low, or he goes to Antarctica where the temperature is very low, he cannot survive due to lower temperature. So the lower temperature is extreme environment for that human. So in simple words, extreme environments are an environment that contains conditions that are hard to survive for most life forms. And what are the extreme environment? Alkaline. Alkaline means if the pH of an environment means water, the pH of water is higher than 7, then it is alkaline in nature. So the microorganism which live in the pH more than 7 are alkalinic in nature, and pH above 9 is known as the extreme environment. Similarly, acidic environment is the environment where pH of water or environment is lower than 7. Okay, and when the environment is extreme, if if the pH of the environment is below 3, then this pH range is known as the extreme acidic pH, extreme acidic environment. And extreme cold, and the environment, it is the environment where minus 17 degrees centigrade is the temperature. So the microorganisms which can live in this range are very extremophile, and the temperature below minus 17 is known as the extreme cold. And what is the extreme hot? Extreme hot is the temperature which is above 55 degrees centigrade, is known as the extreme hot temperature. And hypersaline, saline means the temperature, the environment where the salt concentration is higher. So when the environment with concentration greater than that of seawater, means that is lower than 3.5. Okay, and in the hypersaline, the saline concentration is more than 3.5%. So it is hypersaline conditions. These are the normal conditions which dependent on the pH and saline and temperature. Besides this, some more conditions are there, such as under pressure, where which is the habitat where extreme hydrostatic pressure is occurs. Okay, for example, aquatic habitat deeper than 200 meter is known as the under pressure. Radiation, it is the environment which is exposed to higher ultraviolet light or IR light, and the environment which has higher which which has higher radiation is known as the high radiation environment, and the environment which have low water is also a extreme environment, and the environment which is have low concentration of an oxygen, and the environment which have completely absence of oxygen are known as the anaerobic environment. Okay, and this environment is also known as the extreme environment, and altered by humans. Some of the environment which are altered by the humans are also the extreme environment, such as some mines with, okay, some oil impacted habitats and polluted areas which are altered by humans, and these altered places are known as the extreme environment. So in the upcoming videos we are going to discuss the microorganism of extreme environment. So there are two types of microorganism. So there will be two types of video will be available for the microorganism of extreme environment. The first, the microorganisms which are dependent on these environment, okay, and include all types of microorganisms including bacteria, fungi, uh, okay, helminthes, all through so microorganisms. And in another video we will discuss about the archaebacteria, which are also the microorganism which can thrive on extreme environment, which can tolerate the extreme environment. So in the upcoming video we are going to discuss about archaea and the microorganism of extreme environment. So our video is over here. In the upcoming video we will meet in another video tutorial. Thank you very much.